my friend, Delectable Dyads. For the key of D major, what we're talking about is having a 1 chord, a 2 chord, 3 chord, 4 chord, 5 chord, 6 chord, 7 chord. Now, those chords have sonority, or they're determinably happy or sad, but we like to just call them as being 1, 3, 5. So the two notes a part of a triad or a chord are called dyads. Hence, you're here learning how to play two of those notes together so they sound pleasing to the In the key of D major, we have a D major, we have an E minor, there is an F sharp minor, then we have a G major, A major, B minor, and then a C sharp diminished. You could also play an A7, it works quite well. And then it goes right back to our 1 chord, the D major. Now, a dyad, as we aforementioned, are two notes of that 3-note equation for the triad. So in the key of D major, we would have D, F sharp, and A. As D major has 2 sharps, every single note that's part of our triads would feel the same. So we would move up our D major and go to like an E major, but since our secondary chord has a flat 3, we must take that E, G sharp, and a B and flatten the median, so we have an E, G, B. That gives us E, G, B. Here's a B, here's a G, there's the E, and an open G. However, it often is good to view this as a bar chord, because when we move it up, yeah, we can get an E sharp minor or an F minor, but we just can't do that with our single chords, or else we have that pesky G just hovering above the whole thing. So for our dyads for today, let's try to do something outside the pocket. We're just basically going to go to the 5 chord, which is the A major. We're going to be playing the C sharp and the E together. And then when we play the D and the F sharp together, we're playing the 1 chord. And then when we play the G and the E together, we're playing the 2 chord. So if we had a 5 chord, 1 chord, 2 chord. Play the A, then the D, then the E minor. A major, D major, then the E minor. Now this little cadence is called a deceptive cadence. It has a happy major, and then it lands on the last chord being the E minor. Well, E minor has a relative major. That relative major is the G, and in the key of D, it's the 4 chord. So maybe try and swap those out. Dyad, 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 yeah. Try it with the G dyad now and have fun.